Goddamn fire!
Intervention! Intervention!
Everyone's here today because they care about you and they want you to be well.
She ain't funny. Next.
That's right, you're an asshole.
Ah, that's it. Now ring down.
And your addiction has affected us in the following ways. You are annoying.
Dennis, come on. Give it to me with both barrels.
You are annoying.
You're an asshole.
Ah, that's it. Now ring down.
You're a prick.
Goddamn fire!
Why do we never play night crawlers anymore, huh?
I don't know, Charlie.
What is Nightcrawler?
It's a game where they crawl around in the night like worms.
I never said that. Yeah, well, that's what it is.
Intervention! Intervention is nothing private, Frank!
You're an asshole.
Ah, that's it. Now ring down. What the hell's going on?
You are unknown.
What the hell's going on?
You man! Sit down so we can tell you what an asshole you've been.
We're gonna get on.
Why do we never play night crawlers anymore, huh?
I don't know, Charlie.
What is Nightcrawler?
It's a game where they crawl around in the night like worms.
I never said that. Yeah, well, that's what it is.
Intervention! Intervention is nothing private, Frank!
You're an asshole.
Ah, that's it. Now ring down on me.
You are unknown.
What the hell's going on?
You man! Sit down so we can tell you what an asshole you've been.
We're gonna get on your face and point out your faults. What is Nightcrawler?
It's a game where they crawl. Intervention! Intervention is nothing private, Frank!